Hey, happy Valentine. Valentine. Where is your Valentine? My Valentine is the entire population. If you're loving, if you love life, that is your Valentine. You don't have to find one. You can be the one that is loving and giving and embracing everything that is around you, becoming the very Valentine you are. You don't need a big celebration. You will become the celebration of life. And that joy that you become may share or may get so attracted to. And once you become attracted to, the very earth that you are walking upon may start loving you. But to do that, one needs to be conscious and be gentle with everything that you do. The very thought, the very emotions, the very life energies, the very way that you are is loving without ever needing to love anything or looking for something or a flower, a bouquet, without ever spending millions, thousands, with no money in your pocket. If you sincerely believe in the love that you become, the very love that you are, if you ever think of love exist, you don't have to go looking for one with your deep pocket or your big bank balance or a bank account or a luxurious ball, a luxurious treat for just one, or without ever having a penny in your pocket, with no money. Are you able to find the true love? You don't have to. Once you are loving within yourself, once you're loving of very life energies that you are, the very vibration of who you are, the consequence of you being wonderful, a consequence of you being great, joyful, pleasant, conscious, responsible, gentle, embracing. As a consequence, very way of life around you will be loving. Isn't it the most beautiful way to be? Not your power, not your influence, not your greed, not your self-interest ambitions of making one person feel foolish to fall in love with you. Why don't you rise with this very Valentine's love by becoming absolutely nothing, yet becoming absolutely everything? Because once you become nothing, you become one with everything. As a consequence, the very earth that you walk upon, the very air that you breathe, the very water that you include will become loving. And that loving energies may exude, may flower, may that fragrance of energy, the very way of you are, become the fragrance in the gentle air that you breathe, the very water that you consume, the very earth that you walk upon. All will become loving on this Valentine's Day. Your bitterness, your anger, your frustration, your twisted ideas, your thought, your trapped energies that consumes you may somewhat all be liberated, like the very love that you will become. I hope you'll be the next Valentine who sends that aromas, sends that fragrance in the air as a fully fledged, loving, caring, embracing, and more importantly, caring